the next concept we'll take up is evolution by stages. Evolution by stages. How the evolution takes place one after the other, stepwise, stage-wise. Okay. With one or two example, we can clarify the concept. First of all, we'll take eye as an example. Eye as an example. If you take very lower group of organism, okay, from Coelenterata, say Hydra, all of you know Hydra. Hydra. Hydra, they don't have any eyes like us, they don't have any eyes. So, as the evolution took place, next, in Platyhelminthes, flatworm, you call planaria. Slowly, during the course of evolution, okay, they developed a small eye-like structure we call eye spot. Just very weak it is not so clear for them. It is one of their sense organ we call eye spot. Later on, in insects again the eyes evolved, little more developed stage in insect. Now you take example of ourselves in human being. In case of human being, we have very well developed eyes. See, now from Hydra to planaria to insect to human, how the development or the evolution of eye took place stage wise at different stage. That is evolution by stages. One more example I will give you. It is from your textbook only. We know that birds have evolved from reptiles. Birds have evolved from reptiles. Okay. Now the best example of reptiles is dinosaurs, which were there once upon a time. Now they got extinct. Okay. Dinosaurs, when dinosaurs were there, some of the dinosaurs, their body was covered with feathers. That body was covered with feathers, and feather was for protection, like insulator, to protect themselves maybe from winter, maybe from cold. Okay, so that was the function of feathers. When bird evolved, even birds have feathers. The feather, which initial function was as insulator, now birds utilized the same feather for flight, for flying purpose. See, this is the evolution. Okay, feather is same, purpose was different. Now the purpose changed. This is another example of evolution by stage. At every step, at every stage, when the evolution take place, okay, that particular organ or structure, they get modified, they get evolved. I'll give example from plant. Okay, from plant side, let us study one example. Today we eat different kind of vegetables. I'll make list of some vegetables. Cabbage, known for its leaves. Cauliflower, known for flower, we eat that flower as our food. Okay, then you can give example of broccoli. Similarly, kohlrabi. Okay, so all these, okay, they look somewhat similar. Why do they look somewhat similar? Because all of them, they have evolved from wild cabbage. Okay, all these evolved from wild cabbage, but not naturally, artificially. What do you mean by artificially? Human being cultivated this for 2000 years, more than 2000 years, from last 2 to 3 or 4000 years, we have cultivated this. And during the course of cultivation, we used a different part of that, okay, as our food item, and slowly it got evolved into different vegetables. It got evolved into different vegetables. And this is one more example for evolution by stages. So these three examples you can keep in mind. One is how the structure of eye changed. Second one, how the feather changed. And third one, how all these are derived from common wild cabbage.